Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete your Facebook account. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or have decided to take a break from social media, we'll walk you through the process of permanently deleting your Facebook account. So, let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. In the Facebook settings, select See More in the Account Center. Then, click on Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership, then Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your account, and here you can either choose to deactivate your account, which will hide it from Facebook, or permanently delete it. You will have 30 days to change your mind. Select an option and follow the steps on the screen. Lastly, confirm by entering your Facebook password. If you're on mobile, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button labeled as 3 horizontal lines, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Again tap on Settings. Tap on See More in Account Center. Then, tap on Personal Details. Here you will find the option Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it and choose Deactivation or Deletion. You will be promoted to choose your account. Next, select Delete Account and tap Continue. Here, you will need to choose a reason before Delete Account. Tap Continue and lastly, provide your Facebook password. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.